this question asks us to draw a transition state for this substitution reaction. This reaction would be highly favorable, which means it will be downhill with delta H, which means it will be exothermic. An exothermic reaction means it will have an early transition state. An early transition state means that the transition state will look most like the reagents and least like the products. Any bond forming or bond breaking will have barely just begun at the point of the transition state. We can draw the transition state. We'll start with our nucleophile, the alkyne anion, and it will be forming a bond with the carbon of methyl chloride, but that bond will have just barely begun to form. This will be a long partial bond. And the bond to the chlorine will have just barely begun to break, and so this bond will still be close to the original bond length of the carbon-chlorine bond. This carbon had a negative charge in the reagent, so it's starting to lose its negative charge as it forms a new bond, so we'll have a partial negative charge. The chlorine is leaving to become Cl-, so we'll just be starting to gain a negative charge, so it will also be partial minus. This then is the transition state for this substitution reaction.